She's royal, yeah, so royal.
It's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. Today we're recording in my bathroom, and we're recording the opposite way. I have this beautiful window in my bathroom, and it's bringing in all this light, so I'm just like, why not use the natural light? Now, it ain't the best light, but you know, just trying something new. This is a lock update video. I wanted to show you guys how my locks are doing and what they are doing. And unfortunately right now, I don't think they're doing too great. This is one of the reasons why I have my hair wrapped up. I am currently experiencing thinning / hair loss. I don't really know what it is, but I kind of think it's due to postpartum hair loss. But then again, it's like my child is 9 months. This is not like the beginning of it, but they said it could last for a year. So that could be it, or it could be a poor diet, poor sleep, stress, cotton pillowcase, or all of the above. I'm really not sure which one is like the culprit, but right now I'm gonna treat it as all of the above. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like, and also I'm gonna tell you guys the steps that I'll be taking moving forward to get my hair to grow back. Okay, so let me take this off. Okay, so guys, this is the real deal right now. It is dry. I have started my regimen of what I'm gonna do moving forward, but as you guys can see, like you can see my natural parting, which is a parting I've always had since I was a little girl, but now that my hair is thin, it's like boom, right there. As before, I had to search and find it, but it's literally right here. I have a center part, not really, because I never wore my hair in the center. I look crazy with my hair with a middle part. So, but I just wanted to show y'all like how thin it is. I don't retwist my locks. I've never retwisted my locks. So for it to look like I literally sat down and got them retwisted, to me is a problem. It's really thicker on this side versus this side. It's just, yeah, sorry guys, my camera died. It's so ridiculous. But yes, my hair right now is just really, really in dire need of some help. And I have been taking some steps. It's been like a week. And these are some of the things tips and things that I will be doing moving forward to get my hair to grow back and a little bit fuller at the roots. So number one, keeping my hands out my hair. What is the hardest thing? I told myself I'm going to put my hands in my hair. The only reason my fingers should be in my head is to massage my scalp, to oil and massage my scalp. 2, more water. I drink water, I do, but I'm thinking I just need more. It's always great to stay hydrated, and drinking water helps hydrate your hair as well as your skin, and it's just really good for your body. So I need to drink more water. Number 3, a better diet. I am not the worst eater, but I could do a lot better incorporating more veggies into my diet. 4, vitamins. Right now I'm taking a multivitamin. I might add a biotin vitamin, which is good for hair and nails. Number 5, which is a hard one for me sometimes, going to bed at a decent time, like getting my 7 to 8 hours of sleep. That is really hard for me. After I put my kids down, they usually go to bed 7:30, 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, I'm usually either cleaning up or just trying to like wind down, have mommy time, you know, husband, wife time. So it's kind of hard, but I'm going to make time to go to bed at a decent time and get my 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 6, wearing my satin bonnet / satin pillowcase. No more sleeping without anything protecting my hair. I was not doing that. I don't even know why I wasn't doing it, because I have a satin pillowcase, like, girl. But I was sleeping on my cotton pillowcases, and I think that's one of the culprits, one of the reasons why I'm losing hair, or my hair is thinning. So no more going to sleep without anything covering my head. 7, exercise. I hate exercising, but I know that I have to move and groove and get my body together, and it's healthy for my body. I know it has to be done. I just don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it if it means that my hair will grow back, okay? What number am I on? Number 8, managing stress. I would like to say that I'm not stressed, but there are a lot of things that are happening in my life that are very stressful, and I guess I need to do better in managing it. So right now, what I've been doing is just making sure I have time for me. And that's not necessarily leaving to be out somewhere. Like, I just need 10 to 15 minutes of quiet time. And usually I find that peace waking up before my family wakes up. So I use that as my quiet time, prayer time. This is what I've been doing, guys. So yeah, just trying to get up before them. And also what I feel like works for me is taking a bath at night. I shower, but it's something about a bath. Like I run a hot bath and I put Epsom salt in it, and I just soak for a good 20 minutes or so with candles and music, and it literally helps me unwind for the night, and it helps me go to bed. So that's been helping me to go to bed at a decent time. 9 would be scalp massage. I touched on that really quickly when I said keeping my hands out my hair, but the only reason for me to have my fingers in my scalp or my head would be to massage my scalp. And I sit there and I massage my scalp for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Usually it's 5 because ain't nobody trying to be in their hair for 10 minutes, but it gets the blood circulating. So I've been doing that for a good 5 minutes, and I try to do it preferably at night. If you could get it done in the morning, that's cool too. It's at night every day. It'll get my blood circulating, and that'll promote hair growth. I do massage my scalp with oil, but because this is a daily massage scalp thing that I'm doing, I don't put oil in my hair daily every time I'm doing the massage. So I limit the oil use to like weekly. Friday to be the day that I'll massage my scalp with the oil, if that makes sense. Because I don't want my scalp to be overly oiled or clogged with oils. Like, that's not necessary. 10, of course, would be to wash my hair. I don't wash my hair frequently. I am a once a month type washer type of girl. I don't need to wash my hair every week, every 2 weeks or so, but I do want to keep washing my hair. I do it, so I'm gonna keep washing it. I think I'm on 10 or 11, guys. I don't know where the number is. I'm gonna even stop with this whole number thing. Keeping my hair moisturized. I don't do leave-ins, I don't do conditioners, but I think moving forward, my hair needs a daily moisturizer. Right now, that entails for me, which I don't have it right now, I thought I had it, my spritz. I'm gonna spritz my hair in the morning and spritz it at night. If I don't do it in the morning or I don't do it at night, at least once a day. The goal is twice a day, but get it in every day. Like, I need to spritz my hair. I realize my hair needs to be moisturized. The more dry it is, the more it breaks off, which there goes the growth. So yeah, and my hair is thinning, so it's breaking off because it's dry. So I need to moisturize my locks. So that's it, guys. Those will be the steps that I'll be doing moving forward to get my hair to grow. Oh, also, my hair is the worst in wintertime. It's only doing this because it's freaking cold. My hair does not like cold weather. My heating system, I think, dries out my hair. What else? No vitamin D. That's why I need to take my vitamins. So it's a lot of factors playing against my hair being super, super dry and just at its worst. So right now I know for sure that my hair is dry because of our heating system in our house. So I'm also gonna make it my business to cover my hair at home. So I invested in this little bonnet sock. It literally is like a sock and it ties. This is the inside of it. So my hair will be in there. So this is the outside. So my hair will be in the sock with the satin in the inside, and literally I just tie it up so it'll be on my head and then it stays on as I tie it. I'll insert a video to show y'all what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is pretty much, this was like $4 at Walmart, and it protects my hair, and that's the goal. The goal is to protect my hair. And also when I go out into the elements, going out into the world, I keep my hair wrapped up in the scarf like you guys saw in the beginning. So yeah guys, this is my lock update. I wanted to show you guys that my locks aren't doing too great. I just wanted to be real and show y'all that, like, listen, it ain't always cute. Well, I mean, you could still be cute, but like, you really gotta take care of your hair. Like, having freeform locks or locks in general does not mean you neglect your hair. And I can honestly say I just been doing whatever I want to do, not paying attention, and I need to get my stuff back together. And you know, your hair sometimes is a reflection of what's going on in the inside, so it's stuff that I need to fix internally as well, and hopefully that'll show up. I'll show up in my hair in 4 months. I got 4 more months. I will be locked for 3 years. So in that time, for 4 months, I'm gonna keep my hair covered. I do not want it out. I don't want it out. Even when it starts getting warm. Well, maybe when it starts getting warm, I might let it rock out a few times, but the goal is to keep it covered and keep it healthy right now. So I'm gonna keep it away. I'm also gonna do a video, guys, showing y'all the length. I do wanna do a length check. I do wanna do a length check. So I'm gonna have to do that for y'all too. We're gonna do a length check, and then I'm gonna keep it covered. And on my anniversary, my 3rd lock anniversary, we're gonna do a before and after. We're gonna compare to see how long my hair has grown from now till then, because I figure if I take all the steps, taking my vitamins, drinking my water, eating right, covering my hair, I should see some growth, some fullness back, as well as length. And the goal is to get my hair bra strap length or a little past. So I'm hoping I can meet that goal with my hair covered up. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that video, that length check video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please feel free to share this video, thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate you all being here and watching my videos. And please feel free to leave comments and let me know if there's anything else that you might want to know or want to see. Thank you guys.